How are you?
I'm fine.
And how about your project?
Sound pollution.
Air pollution. Okay. What is the air pollution and what kind of the pollutions?
Air pollution, noise pollution, soil and water.
Very good. And which pollution is very danger?
All of the pollution are very dangerous.
Very good. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm fine.
What about your project seed germination? Okay. Very good. Yes.
The process of seed becoming a plant is germination. These are the things that we see in seed germination are water, oxygen, and they trigger the seed to allow the seed to germinate.
Okay. Very good. Well done. Sit down, please. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Zabardast. Very good. Sit down. Yes. What is this? Okay, please say something about your project.
Acid rain model, acid rain, field rain.
Okay, acid rain. Acid rain. Okay, very well done. Sami. Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, this is the excretory system. Okay, good. Very good. With us. Okay, fine, fine. Assalam. What is this? Solar system. Okay. Okay, how many planets in our solar system? Okay, good. Sit down. Yes, what is this? Walaikum assalam. Okay, the stairs, the big stones, the small, the sand, the cottons. Very good. Fine. Okay, this is the acid rain, है ना? Okay. Nice. Fine. Very good. Yes. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Amisha. Presentation.
Yes. What is the topic? Biodiversity. Oh,
Biodiversity plays a major role in maintaining the balance of the earth. Furthermore, everything depends on biological diversity of different plants and animals. But due to some reason, biodiversity is decreasing day by day. If it does not stop, then our earth will no longer be a place to live in. Thank you.
okay. Fine. Very good. Amisha. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Yes. Water cycle. Looking very good. Very nice. How can you explain the water cycle?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Shah and my name is Mahabir. We are here to present our presentation on water cycle. Water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and when the process of the water cycle evaporation.
Very good.
Assalamualaikum. My name is
Assalamualaikum. How are you?
I am also fine. It is the wind and solar energy.
Okay.
Wind is the flow of air. It is very useful for us. It is great effect of weather. It is the throw wind electricity through wind here. I can show you.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. How are you?
I am fine.
Volcanoes.
This is volcano. Assalamualaikum.
Okay.
My name is Samantha. My partner name is Sasanka. Today we are made volcano. This is volcano. A volcano is a mountain where only rock erupt through the surface of the earth. When a volcano erupts, lava, ash and gas expels from
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, this is a greenhouse. Okay, greenhouse.